Hi guys, how have you been? Did you try any of the tips? But more important, did you share them? So anyway, here's some more for you. Tip number 3, wear a wig, but you must prepare your hair. Elastic band, get your hair out of the way. Okay, a brush and a few grips. Yeah. So, whoops. Whoops. A wig cap. Wonderful. Okay, right, get it all this hair out of the way. Oop, get your ears out. You need to hear what you're doing. The best one. Tip number 4, wear your sunglasses on your head. So, my favorite color. Okay. Ooh, vintage. Okay. Also my favorite color. Right. So for this look, the bigger your head, the better really. So, right. Oops. So arrange the fringe so you really don't see the roots. Ooh, like that. Okay. But remember, if you have to go out and there is no sun, so you don't need sunglasses, wear your goggle. Stay safe. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. 2 more tips coming up. So remember, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned.